Welcome to Rocket Drones Racing Simulator version 7.2. If you do not have version 7.2 installed, there will be an update icon next to the career mode button in the top right hand of the screen. Once updated and signed back in, click the Tracks tab, then double-click on the Browse tab. Once the list populates, scroll down to the bottom of the list and locate and green checkmark the rocket space levels and January's Guardian Challenge track. Once that is complete, click on the Favorites tab to begin updating and installing all the new features we have been working on since summer. This installation process may take several minutes, so we will speed up this video just a bit. When completed, we can show you some of the new United Space Force skins, which are unlockable by earning your rockets in career mode. We are proud to introduce the Delta Spark, Orbital Strike, and the Recon Scout, and as always, Rocket Drones Red. So let's head on over to the new tracks. In the gravity loop, pilots will have to fly in an atmospheric gravitational ring that has two zero-G space bubbles in it. Pilots must master using their inertia to jettison their drones through the zero-G spaces and roll over to match up with the gravitational force direction of the other half of the ring. This course can only be flown in Acro mode and may take a while to master. In the gravity core, pilots will learn what it feels like to fly in an atmospheric zero-G bubble. Each gravity sphere applies its own gravitational effects on the drone the closer you get to it, with zero-G space in between. Once you begin to get the hang of the environment, start practicing your Hohmann transfers to slingshot your drone from sphere to sphere. And just a heads up, this level can only be flown in Acro mode. So have fun practicing for a while, because this may become an official Guardian Challenge track in the near future, hint hint. Last but not least, we have the Rocket Space Station. Pilots can fly in either stability mode or Acro mode. Pilots will race around an atmospheric bubble in space, giving them the feeling of lightspeed flight. But be careful though, as there are many opportunities for a potential crash on this course. As always, slow is smooth and smooth is fast. We hope you like the newest additions to the simulator. That was brought to you in partnership with the United States Space Force.